Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video. And today I'm going to show you how to install the new ERD CPC4 quick release system. You will receive a bag from ERD when you purchase it. Upon opening this bag, there are two parts that come with it. The first part is the CPC4 end, which I already removed the CPC4. And it goes as follows. Now it's ready for use. I removed all the screws from the dashboard so that you could see quickly how to install this. You first pull out the wiring harness that had the CPC4. Take the new cable out of the bag, drop it down, and then it is color coded. So white to white, blue goes to blue, gray to gray, and the brown goes to brown. You've now installed the quick release system. You can then put back the dashboard. You can put the screws back in, just as if it was never opened. And now you have a CPC4 with a quick release option, which clicks onto this end here. There's only one way for it to go. Ready to go. And now you have the quick release system installed. And this CPC4 can be put behind any seat, under the seat, over by the dashboard. You have approximately 8 feet to play with. And that is your demonstration of how to install the ERD CPC4 quick release system.